Welcome to the tutorial on utilizing the new vaccination and COVID-19 testing system. At the September 9th, 2021 meeting of the Yuba Community College District Board of Trustees, a resolution was adopted to implement a vaccine and testing policy for all YCCD employees and students to be physically present on any of the district properties. This video will walk you through how to comply with the board policy and ensure you are able to register for in-person courses this coming semester. First, go to our single sign-on page at login.yccd.edu. Next, click on the self-service icon for your college. You will then need to complete the required agreements by clicking on the required agreements tile at the top left-hand corner of the website. For most students, you will see 6 required agreements that you need to review and complete before you're allowed to register for classes. If you are a high school student, you will only see the first 2. To get started, click on the View link at the right-hand side of each required agreement. The first will be the COVID-19 Notice of Risks. Once you click Accept, you can go to the second one, which is going to be the new vaccination and testing information, and allows you to comply with the new policy. Once inside of here, click the Go Here link to submit your vaccination or testing documentation. This will open up a new screen. You'll be taken to the Confidential Medical Information Authorization form. Please read this form carefully, as your acceptance to the terms will allow the district to collect your vaccination and testing data to ensure compliance with the new policy. If you choose not to agree to the CMIA form, you will be taken to a screen that informs you that you are able to register for online courses only. But if you do in fact want to participate in in-person courses, you can click Return to Form and complete the authorization for collection of information. If you decide to agree to the CMIA form, click the I agree to the above terms, authorizing Yuba Community College District to collect and disclose information. You will then need to enter your full name exactly as it's listed above in the highlighted area, and your college ID, which is only the 7 numeric digits, also listed above in the form and highlighted to the upper right. Once you've done that, you can click Submit, and you'll be taken to the testing documentation dashboard. You can see under Step 1 that my View and Download CMIA is green, and the date that it was completed. It also verifies that I will be able to register for in-person classes, but I will need to submit verification of vaccination or testing results to remain eligible to stay in those in-person classes before the term begins. As you scroll down further, the next step, or Step 2, is to provide your proof of vaccination or testing. To provide proof of vaccination, click the Upload Vaccination Documentation button. On the Submit Proof of Vaccination page, please complete the vaccine type and clinic information, as well as the date of your final or last vaccination. You're then going to click on Choose File to grab a picture or PDF of your documentation. It'll open up a standard Windows Explorer. Grab the file of your choosing, click Open. In my case, I chose a vaccination card, picture of a vaccination card with my information on it as my proof. And then I'm going to hit Upload File and Save File. Once I've done that, proof of vaccination successfully uploaded. It also will inform you that you're eligible for the $200 Amazon gift card for participating in our vaccination program. Those will be sent out in mid-February. You can click back to dashboard and you'll see the dashboard information. At this point, for my proof of vaccination, it says that I have provided documentation, but it is awaiting verification from our contact tracing team. If, on the other hand, I am going to go with testing instead of vaccination, you would select the Upload COVID-19 test results. It will give you a similar form for uploading your weekly testing information. You can choose testing, enter the testing location from your documentation, the results, the test type, test date, results date, and then you're going to choose a file similarly to what we did to pull in the information for vaccination. In this case, it's going to open up the File Explorer. I'm going to choose my test results. I'm going to click Open. And when I do, I'm going to be able to see that I've got the same information. This comes from a test that I had done recently. I want to make sure that the right file is there, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Upload File. COVID-19 test results successfully uploaded. Thank you for uploading your test results. Your submission will be reviewed and validated, so you may continue to utilize in-person services for register for face-to-face classes. I'm going to click back to Dashboard, where I can now see that I have a test result uploaded as of the set date being 4th, and that I'm awaiting verification. Our contact tracing team will review those results and ensure that they're verified to make sure that everyone has a negative result and is eligible to attend classes. Once you've confirmed that you've submitted your proof of vaccination or that you've uploaded your test results, please go back to the self-service screen and complete your required agreements for the vaccination and testing information by clicking Accept. Once you've completed this and the other required agreements in your system, you'll be ready to register at your registration time. If you have any questions, please contact the help desk at 530-741-6981 or via email at helpdesk@yccd.edu. Thank you.